Hey everyone, I am Milan from MK Designs and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to take a look on something a bit different than the other Shorty kits that we have. That is the Shorty Kit Tapered. This kit has a unique and upswept design, giving the Royal Enfield a sportier and aggressive stance. In this video, I will show you how it works, what comes in the kit, how it pairs with the other custom add-ons that we give, and the specific seats that come for the Shorty Kit Tapered. The Shorty Kit Tapered is unlike the previous kits. It features an upswept design that gives the rear of the motorcycle a lifted look. This change in the angle not only makes the bike more aggressive, but also creates a sleeker, sportier profile compared to the standard Shorty kits. Here I have the seat. This is the Brad seat tapered curved top.